The immersive experience using MetaCampus definitely helps students gain a better understanding of what they're learning. It takes abstract concepts and it allows it to come to life right in the palm of the student's hands. Our students are able to utilize digital manipulatives. The models move above their heads, below. They can see these models from all angles. It's like it's right there in front of them. They were so excited about the opportunities to learn with the VR headsets. Our students could not wait to go back and engage in future lessons. In talking with one of my teachers who is using the program, he is very excited to be able to write his own lessons and put it inside of MetaCampus. I always tell our students that we live in a global market, and so MetaCampus is going to allow our students to engage with students from other parts of the world learning the same content. That is an opportunity to bring us together and to enhance our learning overall. Implementing VR technology and MetaCampus into your classrooms is a way that you can engage your students in the learning environment. When students are immersed in the learning experience, they gain such a better understanding of the concepts that they're learning. When we are working with a population of students that are living in poverty, our students have access to diagrams, pictures, different parts of the world that they may not be exposed to in their everyday life. Artificial intelligence and virtual reality are the cutting edge of education. Having the opportunity to expose our students to virtual reality classrooms puts us a step ahead in our innovative experience in education.